In this video, I will show you how to log in and sync up for the EA Playtesting. So first, we need to go to this website. I will leave the link in the description. And now here we need to click on the sync up button. You can see here right now, this will ask for an EA account. If you don't have one, you can also just create one. I will use my account. Now we are inside in the EA Playtesting. We need to accept all the agreements and everything. And here now we need to click on Get Started. You can see here now we need to fill all our data, so I will do that. And now once we fill our data, it will ask for a small survey, so we also need to fill this. So once we finish the survey, as you can see, we are now inside the EA Playtesting. And right now the only playtest we have available is the Battlefield Labs. And here also you will have all the playtests you are already in, so you can also check these ones if you are not sure if you are inside a playtest or not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now if you want to get in a playtest, you need to click here, and this will ask you to fill a survey. So that's pretty much it. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.